पणजी 8 ते 13 जानेवारी मेरेन दयानंद बांदोडकार मैदानार आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्पल फेस्ट जातले अशी माहिती पत्रकार परिषदेन समाज कल्याण मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसायन दिली। अपंगुळत्व आशिल्ल्या व्यक्तींक मजत उपकरणा आणि साधना फुकट दितले अशें फळदेसायन सांगला।
Though we call it as a fest, it is not an event, it is a moment, or I would say that it is a revolution in the life of the person with disabilities. And you will find there are a lot of innovative and research appliances which have come in market internationally, whichever is there, the latest equipment, devices, apps and other things will be exhibited here so that they find the best of the equipment to overcome their disability. Besides this, we will have 30 different conferences on each of the disabilities, master classes, in conversation, debates, so that we can frame a good policy for Divyangs, good acts to be placed in this. These recommendations could go from here. So most of the ministers and state commissioner from all across the country will come, and definitely this being international, the best of the practices followed in other countries also. We will have and we will access and we will see that how best we can implement in our country.
Equipments for special needs. Now all the children who have got, or children or participants who have we call them children only. All of them will be getting equipments, whatever equipments, like visually impaired, hearing impaired, everything. There is a list of items which they can get. Now every constituency we are targeting 50 people minimum. I am in charge of, having in responsibility for the special needs to be given on all items. Now we will have minimum 50 from each constituency. I will take the MLA into confidence. I will take the Swayambhu Nidra into confidence, and we will be appealing, and our appeal is to the people of whole of Goa to come forward and take, be part of this program.
So tailor made करतले म्हणजे नॉर्मली आम्ही व्हीलचेअर म्हणटा, व्हीलचेअर नाल्यार कसले खंयचेय व्हीलचेअर कोणाकूय फिट जायना, सो ते तेंचे रिक्वायरमेंटाच्या प्रमाणे ती व्हीलचेअर तयार करतले आणि ऑन द स्पॉट लोकांनी एक गोष्ट कळून घेवची की जे प्रोडक्ट पळय अवेलेबल आसा ते ऑन द स्पॉट आमी दिवंक शकतले, पण जे ना ते आमी त्यांचे रिक्वायरमेंटा प्रमाणे टेलर मेड करून तांकां ते आमी दितले. सो पर्पल फेस्ट सोंपले आरे बाबा आमचे कितें जालें तशें आसना की तेंची पळय डिमांड आसा ती पुरी थंयसर आमी थंय आसतले.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकार आणि सानिका नागवेकर।